Hello everyone. This is the Canadian Computer Competition year 2018 Junior Problems. This is problem J1. Today we work on it with Java code. So first let's read the problem text. You can pause here. Okay. After reading the text, we need to analyze the problem so that we know how to code the problem. So for any program, any computer program, it has three phases. The first one is the input, data input, and then the second one is the date process, and then the last one is the output. So let's find each of them from the problem. So in this problem, what we have is a 7-digit phone number here, but we don't really care about the 7-digit. We care about the last 4 digits. So basically we have 4 numbers for the last 4 digits. So the input is 4 numbers. And then we have the process. And the process is to check these 4 numbers. And there are 3 conditions for them. The first one is the first number should be 8 or 9, and then the second condition is the fourth number is also either 8 or 9, and then the third condition is the second number equals the third number. So these are the conditions, and then the output. So here is the output. So if the conditions are satisfied, then we give ignore. We know it's a telemarketer number. We do not want to answer it, so we show ignore. Otherwise, better to answer it, so we show answer. So now we have what we need for the coding, and now let's do the coding. Here, so we have 4 numbers. We need to declare them. I'm just declaring 4 integers here. You can use an array here, but you don't have to, as you know there are only 4 numbers. Let's say if there are 1,000 numbers, then an array is much better and much easier than use the numbers. And then we need to do the input. So we need to know how to read these 4 numbers from the console. And we need to use the scanner class. The scanner class can read the characters from the console, so read it as a string for each line, and also it does the internal conversion, as we need the numbers here, so we need to convert the string to an integer, and actually the scanner class can do it, and we use the next int, and we do it for all the other numbers. So num1, num2, num3, num4, and now we have the input. We have the 4 numbers now, and then we need to do the data process to check the conditions, and the condition is, so the first condition is that number 1 need to be either 8 or 9. And this is for number 1, and then number 4 need also to be either 8 or 9. And then the third condition is number 2 equals number 3. And now we have it. So if the combination of the 3 conditions is true, then we know it's a telemarketer number, and we should give ignore. System out print line ignore. And otherwise, we know we need to enter this number. And now let's do the test. From the problem, there are some sample input and output, and we can use this for the test. So the first set is 9668. We run the program, and from here we give 9668. So we got the result. It should be ignored, and we have it here. So now our program is working okay for this sample. And then we try the second sample. It's 5668, and we should give answer. Now let's do it again. We give 5668, and we got answer. And now we are sure that our program is working as expected. Okay, so this is the Java code for the problem J1. Please let me know your comments or questions. Thank you.